What's up, guys? Oh, this is my new to me 350Z. It's a 2008 HR. We got a really good deal on it. It has a lot of mods, like a lot of mods, and the price is crazy. I think I'm the third owner. I don't know, third or fourth. So yeah, it's a little walk around with the car. Real quick, it has BC Racing coilovers, GKTech Super Angle Kit with the knuckle. So it's like the full suspension setup for GKTech. It's a base model, so there's no Brembos, there's no cruise control, there's no volume in the steering wheel. The rear also is GKTech knuckle, so you can see it's a dual caliper setup. The hydro from GKTech. Yeah, so the front and rear is GKTech. You can see all the arms. I don't know if you can see all the arms and stuff, but they're all there. Change out the bucket, the spring bucket, and it has the upper control arm too, so that's very cool. It has a motor dying. It still has the stock cats. That's what I really wanted, for it to pass smog when I got the purchase. But yeah, it has a motor dying white pipe with a resonator, so you could swap out the resonator for like a straight pipe or whatever. But it has like 3 resonators. So, and then the exhaust, I think he said it was an eBay exhaust. Yeah, eBay exhaust with a muffler, and then there's a resonator in there too. So that makes it 3. Yeah, you can see how the hydro is plumbed here. It's pretty clean. And it goes directly down right behind the knuckle. So drilled through the chassis and right behind the knuckle. It's pretty sick. It's just the harness bar, and then it has the fire extinguisher. I heard that's pretty expensive. Safecraft. Well, I have no idea. It has a Bride Zeta 4 bucket seat. I don't know what rails. I think this is Planet something. Planted. I don't know. And some generic sliders and generic, what is this, side mounts. I don't think it's a Bride, otherwise it would say Bride here, right? Bride. Yeah, so it has a Tomei shift knob. I don't know if it's short shifter. It doesn't feel like it. It's a Tomei shift knob. It is a personal steering wheel. It's a 350, and it's suede. so it's really nice. And then it has an NRG quick release and short hub. Yeah, I'll show you the engine bay. So the paint is terrible, but that was part of the deal. That's what made the deal the deal. Yeah, it has stock air boxes. So yeah, it's an HR. It only has 104,000 miles. And so far it's been reliable. So BCs. He said it was the Atom LZ spec, but I don't know what that means. But it has the spring rates is 14 kg in the front and 5 kg in the rear. The dude gave me a bunch of parts, like this GKTech coolant swirl tank that I had to install. So I installed that and plumbed it. And he gave me some coolant hoses from Z1. So there's this, that one. This one plumbs back to the bottom of the swirl tank. There's no light, but there's a T-fitting there. Koyo Radiator. I think it's a triple flow, end flow. So it passes through like 3 times or whatever. The power steering hoses were upgraded. I think that's it for right here. But yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool. I could show you the angle kit on this. The knuckle. Let me start it. I'll just put you down right. See how much angle that is? It's way more than, stock. Here's the knuckle kit. Let me see. Some light. Yeah, so it's BC, and this is the drop knuckle that GKTech provides. And then the tie rod end, and then the lower control arm, which is like the main thing of the kit. So you could adjust the caster, lengthen the control arm for camber. Yeah, and then I have upper control arms from GKTech too. So that's all adjustable also. Yeah, it's pretty cool. When I got it, when I received the car, it was rubbing the back fender well. And then it would like fully stop the wheel. Like it would lock it up. So like it was kind of dangerous to drive. So what I did was take out the whole kit and GKTech angle kit and then redid all the settings. That took like 2 days to figure out, but I'm glad I figured it out because like if I were to get into an accident and I need to know something to replace, I could easily see it because I marked everywhere that needed. Bolt check. So you mark every piece that you touch, and so you could visually do a bolt check next time you go off or something. Yeah, look at that angle, see? It's crazy. The deal game came with 12 wheels, so it came with these. These are Advanti, the Advanti Valino collab wheels that they sell at Nakamura's site. If you don't know Nakamura, he's like the guy in Mayhem that does like that crazy entry. I'll probably put a photo up. Yeah, so there's these white wheels, and then he gave me another set of green wheels. That's 18 by 9.5 plus 12. So yeah. So that's 8, and then these extra 4 right here. These are Koenig something, but they're also 18 by 9.5 plus 20 though. So yeah, it came with 12 wheels. He gave me the car also has a Tomei 2-way diff, so it gets pretty loud in there. But dude, that diff is nuts. Like when you get on it, it gets on it. I love this car. Let's just say I paid less than 10. Right? Way less than 10. Less than 8. But that's all I'm gonna say. Yeah, this is basically just a seat time car. Most of the interior is here. Speakers work. The radio works. The horn doesn't work. I gotta fix that. Yeah. And probably get a bride seat for the passenger. Because, I don't know. I like it, like, both seats. Matching. But yeah, you can see the paint. It's like fucked up. It's like really faded. Like, damn fool, you didn't use any wax? Like, none? Or maybe it was repainted or something and it just failed. I don't know. Because like the whole hood is like that too. It's terrible. Yeah, I could start it up for you guys and then just rev it a little. Yeah, I don't want to blow out the mic, so let's just do it over here. So yeah, it's my 350Z HR. I really want to address the paint because it's terrible. Like the only good side is like the driver's side. So like if you see me take pictures, it's usually this side. Okay, looks pretty nice from this side, but when you go on this side, it's fucking terrible. Well, I got a lot of thumbs up from like random people. I guess you don't really see stock Z's anymore. You see Z's, don't get me wrong, but like a stock Z is like kind of hard to come by. I don't know. 350s have like that prep of like sideshows and shit like that, which sucks, but man, this car is great to like drive, like just to drive and just like modify. It's like, and the power, Jesus Christ, the power, dude, compared to the MR2 that I had, this one fucking blows it away, dude. I mean, yeah, don't get me wrong, the MR2 handles great, and you have to have hella balls to drive that, but this is just hacks, dude, I swear. You can see 100k miles, baby. 104. Wow. Yeah. So yeah, that's my Z, so catch you in the next one. Peace.